Mesothelioma law if you or a loved one has been diagnosed with mesothelioma, you should know the financial compensation may be available to help you cover medical expenses, loss of income, and other hardships. An unexperienced mesothelioma law firm can explain your options and help you recover the compensation you and your family need. What does a mesothelioma law form do? Mesothelioma is a rare form of cancer that attacks the lining of the lungs and chest wall, pleural, abdominal area, peritoneal, heart, pericardial, and testicles, tunica, vaginalis, testes. H. The only known cause of mesothelioma is exposure to asbestos. Mesothelioma law firm focus on helping mesothelioma patients and their families recover compensation from the asbestos companies that are responsible for the illness. Asbestos litigation is a complex field of law, so it is crucial to choose a top-rated mesothelioma law firm that has an established track record of securing maximum payments for their clients. When you trust a representative law firm to handle a Muslim claim, you can expect your legal team to research your work history or military service history to pinpoint where and when you were exposed to asbestos. Gather documentation about the asbestos materials you were exposed to and the companies that produced them. Keep track of your medical treatments and health care expenses related to the disease. Collect proof of other economic losses related to your illness, such as loss of income. Consult the healthcare experts, life care planners, economists, and other professionals to calculate future loss and your family will. Ach. Experience due to the disease. File a mesothelioma lawsuit against the at-fault parties and pursue claims through the asbestos bankruptcy trust funds. Explore your eligibility for compensation from sources such as veterans benefits, social security, disability insurance, and workers' compensation benefits. Negotiate aggressively to maximize any settlement offers from asbestos companies. Zealously argue your case before a judge and jury if a fair settlement cannot be reached. If you are ready to speak with a mesothelioma lawyer about your legal rights, contact us today. We can answer any question you may have about the process and what to expect. How can a asbestos law firm help? Coping with the mesothelioma diagnosis, whether you are the patient in the caregiver, can be all consuming. It can take every bit of strength and energy you have just to get through each day. Meanwhile, the financial pressures continue to help pile up. And you worry about what will happen to your family in the future. The best mesothelioma law firm have the understanding of what patients and families are going through. These seasoned attorneys have helped countless asbestos victims through this difficult time, and they work tirelessly to take the pressure off patients and families. A highly qualified asbestos law firm will work to ease your stress, explaining all your options for obtaining compensation to cover medical expenses and other bills, connecting you with a medical specialist who understand what mesothelioma patients need, managing all the paperwork and detailed documentation required to file a legal claim. Ensuring the patients and families' needs are always put first, including accommodation patients who are too ill to travel. Helping families make a plan for the future to ensure they are not left with financial burdens after a tragic loss. If you are feeling overwhelmed after a diagnosis of mesothelioma or another asbestos disease, we are here to help. Please call us or fill out our form online to learn about how a dedicated asbestos law firm can help you and your family during this difficult time. What should look for when hiring an asbestos law firm? There are several qualities to look for when selecting the best mesothelioma law firm to handle your claim for compensation, because asbestos cases are a very specialized area of law. You will need a highly qualified mesothelioma attorney who has extensive experience successfully handling these types of claims. When choosing a lawyer to take on your mesothelioma claim, you should look for a proven track record of results in cases involving mesothelioma and other asbestos-related disease. Detailed and extensive knowledge about the companies that produced asbestos materials, as well as the many job sites where these products were used. Through understanding of the complex medical needs of mesothelioma patients, as well as connections to top specialists in the field. Broad network of recognized medical professionals and other experts who can provide testimony as a part of your case. Dedication to helping you and your family identify every potential source of compensation, including assistance such as veterans benefits and social security disability benefits. Compassionate approach and earnest concern for what you and your family are going through. Commitment to consistent communication about the status and progress of your claim, so you always know what is happening. All of the top rated mesothelioma lawyers handle asbestos claims on a contingency fee basis. This means that your attorney does not get paid unless he or she wins your case. Reputable lawyers will also provide a free consultation on your claim to answer your question and explain your legal option. Some of the questions you should ask when taking to a law firm about. Award-winning mesothelioma lawyers ready to help your family. The community at Mesothelioma Help is supported by Belloc and Fox on the highest rank nationally recognized mesothelioma law firm. For more than 2 decades, the law firm has been focused on helping families who have been affected by asbestos disease. The trusted mesothelioma attorneys at Belloc and Fox travel throughout the United States to meet personally with patients and their families. They have earned a reputation of compassionate and personalized customer service, as well as outstanding results. Belloc and Fox has a track record of obtaining top dollar verdicts and settlement in complex mesothelioma claims, recovering more than $1 billion for mesothelioma patients and their families. A mesothelioma law firm that delivers results. Belloc and Fox has extensive experience in significant resources and a history of success in handling complex asbestos litigation. Some of the firm's most notable achievements for clients include $32 million verdict for a U.S. Navy veteran who was diagnosed with the West disease after being exposed aboard Navy ships. $22 million verdict for a part-time construction worker who was diagnosed with mesothelioma after being exposed to asbestos on the job. $19.5 million verdict for a construction worker who inhaled asbestos from joint ceiling compounds while working on a high-rise building in New York. Meet the mesothelioma attorneys at Belloc and Fox. Joseph W. Belloc is a well-respected trial attorney and trusted advocate for those who have been harmed by asbestos. Joe has dedicated his career to holding asbestos companies accountable for failing to warn workers and consumers for dangers of the products. Jordan Fox, Brian Belaski, Seth A. Diamond, nationwide mesothelioma law firm recognized for putting people first. Belloc and Fox made its success based on clients' effort to Kakwachiki. So, Jordan Fox has more than 2 decades of experience securing million-dollar verdicts is complicated asbestos claims. He has earned a reputation for winning landmark asbestos cases, including a groundbreaking case against Sears Roebuck. Brian Belaski has helped hundreds of families who were unjustly harmed by mesothelioma, lung cancer, asbestos, and other preventable asbestos disease. He is a seasoned litigator with a strong commitment to holding large companies accountable for putting innocent individuals and families in harm's way. Brian has recovered millions of dollars compensation for his deserving clients, says a time and heads up for the motion and applicable